Types of data storage systems. Relational databases. 1. These are the most common type of data storage systems, and include popular options such as MySQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. 2. Relational databases store data in tables with rows and columns, and are based on the relational model. 3. They are well suited for structured data and support the use of SQL for querying and manipulating data. NoSQL databases. 1. NoSQL databases. These are non-relational databases that are designed to handle large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data. 2. Examples include MongoDB, Cassandra, and HBase. 3. NoSQL databases are often used for big data and real-time web applications. 4. They are horizontally scalable and provide high performance and availability. Data warehouses. 1. These are specialized relational databases that are optimized for reporting and analytics. 2. They are designed to handle large amounts of historical data and support complex queries and aggregations. 3. Examples include Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and Microsoft Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Data lakes. 1. Data lake is a data storage architecture that allows storing raw, unstructured and structured data at any scale. 2. Data lake technologies, such as Amazon S3, Azure Data Lake Storage, and Google Cloud Storage, provide a centralized repository that can store all types of data. Columnar databases. 1. Columnar databases, such as Apache Parquet, Apache ORC, and Google Bigtable, are used for storing and querying large amounts of data in a columnar format. 2. This format is optimized for read-intensive workloads and analytical querying. Key-value databases. 1. Key-value databases, such as Redis and Memcached, are designed to store large amounts of data in a simple key-value format, and are optimized for read-heavy workloads. 2. They are particularly well suited for use cases such as caching, session management, and real-time analytics. Object storage. 1. These systems are designed to store and retrieve unstructured data, such as images, videos, and audio files. 2. They are often used for cloud storage and archiving. 3. Examples include Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, and OpenStack Swift. File storage. 1. These systems store data as files and directories, which can be organized in a hierarchical file system. 2. They are often used for storing large files and streaming media, and are commonly used in distributed systems like Hadoop HDFS. 3. Other examples, NTFS, ext4. Time series databases. 1. These are specialized databases that are optimized for storing and querying time series data, such as sensor data and financial data. 2. Examples include InfluxDB, OpenTSDB, and TimescaleDB. Graph databases. 1. These databases are designed for storing and querying graph data, which consists of nodes and edges representing entities and relationships. 2. Examples include Neo4j and Janus Graph. 3. They are well suited for applications that require querying complex relationships and patterns in the data, such as social networks and recommendation systems. Thanks for watching.